Welcome to the world's most advanced instant rice noodle factory, where cutting-edge technology meets traditional flavors in a pristine, high-tech environment of industrial excellence. Towering stainless steel silos hold the finest selection of premium rice, waiting to be transformed into the delicate noodles we all love and enjoy every day. Pure white rice flour flows seamlessly through polished pipes, a cascade of fine powder that forms the very foundation of our high-quality, authentic Vietnamese noodle product. Automated arms begin the mixing process, blending rice flour with purified water to create a smooth, consistent liquid base for the perfect noodle texture and taste. The swirling white mixture looks like liquid silk, reflecting the bright industrial lights as it moves toward the next critical stage of the automated production line. High-precision sensors monitor every detail, ensuring temperature and humidity are perfectly balanced for the most consistent and reliable results every single time in our facility. Engineers oversee the digital interface, where real-time data ensures that every batch meets the highest international food safety and quality standards for our global consumers. This is where the magic starts, as the liquid rice mixture prepares to take its first form on the massive, sterile production belts of the factory. The liquid rice mixture is evenly spread onto a moving flat conveyor, creating a perfectly uniform, thin layer of white film across the wide, clean surface. Precision nozzles ensure the thickness is exactly right, a crucial step in achieving that signature translucent look and delicate bite of authentic, high-quality instant hoo-to-you. The thin sheet enters a massive steam chamber, where high-pressure vapor begins the cooking process in a misty, ethereal environment of pure heat and steam. Clouds of white steam billow from the machine's vents, symbolizing the transformation of raw ingredients into a delicious, cooked base for our world-class instant rice noodles. Inside the tunnel, controlled heat penetrates every millimeter of the rice sheet, ensuring it is cooked thoroughly while maintaining its structural integrity and natural rice strength. Emerging from the heat, the rice sheet is now translucent and flexible, gliding over polished rollers with a smooth, rhythmic motion that is truly mesmerizing to watch. Look at the beautiful transparency of the cooked rice sheet, a testament to the purity of the ingredients and the precision of our state-of-the-art technology. High-powered fans blow cool, filtered air over the hot sheet, stabilizing its texture and preparing it for the intricate cutting process that follows in the next stage. The long, continuous ribbon of rice moves steadily forward, a river of white gold that stretches across the entire length of the modern factory floor today. Specialized rollers gently press and guide the sheet, ensuring there are no air bubbles or imperfections before the noodles are finally sliced into thousands of strands. The transition is seamless as the sheet approaches the high-speed cutting unit, where it will soon become the familiar, delicate strands of high-quality instant hoo-to-you. Ultra-sharp steel blades descend with lightning speed, slicing the wide rice sheet into thousands of thin, uniform strands with mathematical precision and incredible industrial efficiency. In slow motion, see how each strand is perfectly separated, maintaining its shape and elasticity as it travels down the high-speed production line toward the packaging. The noodles fall gracefully, like a waterfall of white threads, guided by gravity and advanced machinery into the next phase of their incredible transformation journey. Automated mechanical hands begin to fold and bunch the strands, shaping them into the iconic round noodle nests that fit perfectly in your favorite soup bowl. Each nest is a work of art, neatly coiled and uniform in size, ensuring that every consumer gets the exact same portion every time they buy. Rows upon rows of noodle nests march forward like soldiers, a synchronized display of industrial beauty and high-volume manufacturing prowess at its absolute finest. The nests pass over sensitive scales that check the weight of every single unit, instantly rejecting any that do not meet our strict quality and portion specifications. Robotic guides align the nests perfectly on the trays, preparing them for the intense drying process that will preserve their delicious flavor and long shelf life. Notice the fine texture of the strands within the nest, designed to rehydrate perfectly in just minutes once hot water is finally added by the consumer. The noodle nests enter the massive drying tunnel, a high-tech oven where convection heat will remove moisture while locking in the natural and aromatic rice fragrance. Powerful currents of hot, dry air circulate around each nest, ensuring even drying from the outside in without damaging the delicate and fragile noodle structure. Slowly, the soft rice strands become firm and crisp, turning into the shelf-stable product that can be shipped across the globe without losing its original quality. The nests travel through multiple temperature zones, a carefully calibrated journey that ensures the perfect final crunch and a long-lasting shelf life for global distribution. Thermal cameras monitor the heat distribution, providing the control center with constant data to maintain the ideal environment for the drying noodles throughout the whole process. Coming out of the dryer, the nests are now golden white and rigid, ready to be paired with the flavorful seasonings that make them a complete meal. Advanced AI vision systems scan every single nest as they pass by, detecting even the smallest flaws or breaks in the noodle structure with incredible accuracy. A swift puff of air or a robotic arm removes any imperfect nests, guaranteeing that only the highest quality products reach the final packaging stage today. A final cooling stage brings the noodles back to room temperature, preventing any condensation inside the packaging that could affect the product's longevity and freshness. The scale of the drying operation is immense, capable of processing thousands of noodle nests every hour to meet the global demand for quality food products. With the noodles dry and inspected, they move toward the heart of the flavor station, where the secret spice blends are added to the package. Nearby, a specialized line produces the liquid seasoning oil, filled with aromatic herbs and spices that provide the true soul of the hutiu soup. Fine soup-based powder is measured and sealed into small sachets at incredible speeds, capturing the essence of traditional Vietnamese broth in a small packet. Watch as the rich red satay oil is precisely injected into individual packets, ready to deliver a burst of spicy and savory flavor to the consumer. Dehydrated scallions, carrots, and herbs are mixed together, adding a pop of color and nutrition to the final bowl of instant rice noodles for everyone. Thousands of colorful spice and oil packets rain down onto a secondary conveyor, perfectly timed to meet the noodle nests at the assembly point very soon. High-speed Delta robots pick up the flavor packets with incredible agility, placing them gently on top of each passing noodle nest with perfect mechanical precision. Every nest receives its dedicated set of seasonings, ensuring a complete and flavorful meal in every single package that leaves this modern, automated facility today. The combination of dried noodles and concentrated seasonings is the result of years of culinary research and advanced food engineering technology in our great factory. The two production lines merge perfectly, a dance of mechanical harmony where noodles and flavors finally come together as one unified, high-quality food product. Sensors confirm that every package has the correct number of sachets, leaving nothing to chance in our quest for the perfect consumer experience every single time. The nests and packets enter the flow wrap machine, where a protective film is wrapped and sealed around them in a fast and efficient blur of motion. Precision heating elements seal the edges of the plastic, creating an airtight environment that keeps the contents fresh and crispy for many months to come. The colourful brand packaging is aligned perfectly, displaying the vibrant images and nutritional information that help our products stand out on busy store shelves globally. Lasers etch the production date and batch number onto each pack, providing full traceability from the farm to the final bowl of soup for the consumer. Cardboard boxes are automatically folded and prepped by machines, ready to be filled with the finished packs of delicious and authentic instant rice hutiu. Vacuum-powered robotic arms lift multiple packs at once, neatly stacking them into the shipping cartons with speed that no human could ever hope to match. The boxes are sealed with strong adhesive tape, as the automated line prepares them for the long journey to markets and stores around the whole world. Heavy-duty robots stack the finished boxes onto pallets, organizing them into tall, stable towers that are ready for the massive shipping containers and trucks. In the smart warehouse, automated guided vehicles move the pallets to the loading docks, showcasing the future of logistics and modern food distribution today. Thousands of boxes are ready to go, carrying the authentic taste of Vietnam to millions of hungry customers across every single continent on Earth. From pure rice to your bowl, our modern factory ensures that every bite of hutiu is a safe, delicious, and world-class culinary experience for everyone.